To play Netflix games on your TV or browser, you'll need to use your phone or tablet as a virtual controller by pairing it with a QR code. Let's start with how to connect an Android device. First, open Netflix on your smart TV or in your web browser and select the game you want to play. Once you've chosen the game, click on the Play Game button. This will display a pairing QR code on the screen. Now, grab your Android phone and open the native camera app. Point your camera at the QR code on the TV or monitor. A pop-up link should appear on your device. Tap on the link, and this will either open or download the standard Netflix mobile app if you don't already have it installed. Once the app opens, scan the QR code again, and your phone will automatically connect as a virtual game controller. But using an iPhone or iPad, you will have to download the official Netflix game controller app. After opening the app, approve the controller pairing request, and your device will instantly connect as the controller for the game. The left side controls movement, the right side has action buttons, the N button opens the game overlay, and the menu button accesses settings. And that's how you can use your phone or tablet as a virtual controller for Netflix games on your TV or browser.